Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Zaidan Sani. I'm from Mathematics class 2022. My student number is 101, 22, and 092. And in this video, I will explain my thesis topic, which is optimal control theory for property and gold investment. So the table of content that I will be explaining in this video, there is four main topic, which is the first, thesis topic in general, and then second, the significance and applications or the motivation, and then number three, the problem statement of my topic, and then number four, briefly, I will explain the methodology that I will use in my thesis. So the first, my thesis topic in general is in the field of industrial mathematics and finance, and the core topic is optimal control theory, or OCT in short, for portfolio allocations. So the portfolio investment instrument will be property represented by the VNQ and index that will be explained later on, and gold. And the goal of this topic is to use OCT to determine the optimal dynamic proportion of investment between property, the VNQ index, and gold to achieve maximum profit over a specific time horizon. And then disclaimer on the property side, the term property investment in this study refers exclusively to investment in the Vanguard Real Estate ETF. And the nature of this ETF is providing a liquid and diversified financial exposure to the US commercial real estate market. The scope limitation of this, the model analyzes VNQ, not physical property investment, and thus it provides a liquid finance instrument and do not account for physical property dynamics such as illiquidity of selling a property or direct rental income. So the next thing are the significance and applications and my motivation. So my first motivations is a compelling real-world application of optimal control theory is highly interesting for me because this mathematical discipline is used in a lot of things, and I think it could be applied to many problems and could solve many problems as well. And then the second applies a complex mathematical theory to the practical domain of investment and finance, which I really do like. And then a challenging project requiring rigorous initial work, such as in calculating asset growth rates and determining the carrying capacity through advanced modeling. And the usefulness of this topic is providing a quantitative model to identify the most profitable proportion for asset allocations. And then it allows as well for dynamic decision making by considering numerous real-world variables, including asset growth rates, sales rates, operational costs, and total investment capital that we have. Okay, next, the scenario or the problem statement in my topic, specifically in my topic, is I will be putting myself as company who possesses a limited budget of initial capital that is designated for investment in two assets, which are the property, the VNQ that we've mentioned earlier, and gold. So the objective is, given the constraint of the maximum available fund that the company has, the problem is to determine the time-dependent optimal percentage allocations between the two assets, the property and gold, that will ensure the company achieve the maximum possible investment return or profit. So in short, the methodology that I use as far as I'm concerned, there will be three main phase, which are the first is initial data modeling, so which uses advanced logistic models such as the Gompers model and the Richards growth model. This will analyze the growth rates and carrying capacity that we'll use later on, and then we validate the model with R-square value to see which the model suitable for this topic the best. And next is system dynamic setup, which we do some numerical simulations with real-world assumptions, such as doing the profit rate and then the rate of selling the property and gold and so on, and considering the capital cost, sales, and time horizon that we determine. And then we analyze also the equilibrium and then feasibility and stability. And after that, the optimal control theory will be implemented and to the dynamic system that we made. This also include leveraging the differential equation for system behavior and then solving the optimization problem to see how optimized should be the proportion of the gold and property. So I guess that's it from me, and that's a brief information and explanation about my thesis topic. And I hope everyone that is watching this video finds this video useful. And so thank you everyone for seeing this video.